Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet knee length scattered designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful designs shown to you people in it. If you guys are interested in my videos, you can follow my channel Creation. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this you can also buy to the market about such designs. Video is very useful and helpful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. I am very grateful to the people who support me. I request you all to continue to support me like this. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like today's video, please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. Please let me know in the comment box what you guys like to see. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kinds of crochet related designs. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave me good comments. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Stay with me. We'll remember in prayer, and bye.